Hello and welcome to our kitchen and our home lab of making oobleck. Cornstarch, water, I have a bowl, I also have a pan, we have a golf ball to drop, a pencil, and a plastic knife. So first up, we're going to mix our oobleck. Take a cupful, do a couple cupfuls. Get that in there. Pour water, it gets messy. Start with a little bit of water, mix, add more water as you need. Try not to use all your cornstarch at once. In case you need to add more water.
Wash your hands.
Need more water. Yes, I need to wash my hands. Yes. And you want to make it almost like a pancake batter. So keep adding water so you want it to move, kind of like yogurt. It's starting to get a little hard in here.
Water.
Yeah. Oh, so right now, if you take a look at it, it's too runny. So I'm going to add more cornstarch. No water this time. We're going to add more cornstarch. Just a little bit at a time.
Mama needs to wash your hands.
Yes, Mama needs to wash her hands. So, cornstarch. This is the hardest part, getting it in the right consistency.
Yeah.
I think I almost have it. So now I'm going to transfer it to my pan. You can also do this in your pan, but just less room too. So you see how it kind of flows like a liquid. But if you look, as I try to move it with my hands, it gets really stiff, almost like a solid. It's like I'm trying to scrape dry cornstarch. Okay, put that aside. So now we have a pan full of cornstarch. I'm going to kind of show you how it just kind of moves around. I try to move it. And I cut that in time. Okay, like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to videotape some actions real quick. So I'm going to wash my hands real fast. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is, Harrison, I want you to hit. Can you smack? Watch, ready? We're going to smack the cornstarch, and we're going to see what it does. So liquids are going to splatter when you smack them. Can you hit that cornstarch super hard? Just like Mommy did? Hit it. Go. Go. You'll notice no splatter. So it did not splat like a liquid, ooey gooey. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to drop a golf ball. So, okay, ready? We're going to drop a golf ball. Again, it's heavy, it's dense, so it should splatter if it's a liquid. A solid will absorb it. Ready? And when I went to pick it up, it kind of resisted. It kind of stuck to it. Nothing. Okay? You need to wash it? Okay, here you go. We'll wash it when we're all done. We're almost done. Okay, so that was hitting it with your hand. That was dropping something heavy in it. So now we're going to try and cut it with a knife. Nice little video here. So it looks pretty cool. So as soon as you cut it, it reattaches up like a liquid would. So like a liquid, the molecules are flowing back to where it's supposed to be. And last, I'm going to draw with a pencil. We're going to write Harrison's name. So it kind of sees the pencil's a little bit sharper. You can see it forming the letters. It goes right back to it. Okay. We have two more things we have to do. We have to make it into a ball, and we have to make it into a worm. I'm going to take a chunk here, and I'm going to take just a... We're being recorded. So I can make it into a ball, but only if I keep my hand nice and tight. As soon as I release the pressure from trying to make it in a ball, it's gonna form back into a liquid. It's just gonna fall down, okay? Next, I'm going to try to make a worm, the old Play-Doh worm. Same thing, I get it into worm shape, and then it just melts as soon as I release the pressure, okay? So this is Oobleck. Oobleck behaves like a solid when pressure is added to it, but when there's no pressure, it just flows like a liquid, okay? So, Oobleck. Stop the recording, please.